This is the Yoassi strainer infuser, and I bought this because I needed something a lot more finer mesh for my loose leaf teas, and I am absolutely in love with this. I may need to buy a couple more, only because the fact that I use this every time I am making my herbal infusions. And as you can see, very, very wonderfully fine meshed. And there is a good sizable amount. There's a good sizable area to add your herbs. Okay. And so what I like to do is, I like to take my herbal blends and then pour the hot water over. Right. And here we have decocted some ashwagandha root. It's cut and sifted. I let this simmer for about 20 minutes. And I love how this glass kettle makes it so easy to just pour over the Yoassi infuser. And then it includes a wonderful top to make sure that a lot of the essential oils stay in the hot water. And then when everything is said and done, what's really nice is that we can take this, and because of the fact that it's still hot water on that side, what I usually do is I flip it over, and then when I lift this up, when it's done straining, and then I put it on there. But for right now, we're just going to let it steep for a couple minutes so I can enjoy my afternoon herbal blend. I just wanted to show you how fine this bottom and the sides are, and how good it gets everything, even the small bits. And as you can see here, there's not any floaty bits, which to me personally makes it the best type of herbal drink.